The port city of Mossel Bay. The Nestlé Mossel Bay factory, one of 13 plants in South Africa, has a proud heritage of over 60 years and is situated in the heart of this bustling community. The factory produces iconic brands such as Nestlé, Nido 1 Plus, Klim, sweetened condensed milk, caramel treat, evaporated milk and Nestlé cream. Operating 24/7, Nestlé is one of the top 5 buyers of milk in the country. Nestlé is impacting 2,300 livelihoods in the Mossel Bay community, with over 230 employees. In 2010, Nestlé South Africa embarked on an exciting project to ensure efficient water usage at the Mossel Bay factory and introduced zero water technologies.
Our journey with the Project Zero in Mossel Bay started in 2010 during a time when there was a severe drought in the area. This commitment is fundamental to Nestlé's creating shared value philosophy. The key pillars of nutrition, rural development and water is non-negotiable. In this way, we bring to life how water stewardship is contributing to creating shared value and demonstrates our commitment to the long term versus the short term in society.
This project is phenomenal because it does a couple of things. First of all, we found ways of reducing water. Then we found that with this technology we were able to take what we call milk water. So when you produce with cow's milk, you produce a dry powder. You obviously have a lot of water that is from the milk, and we had the great technology to be able to take that and reuse it, so we didn't have to take less water from the municipality because we already have a water in a product.
So the whole process is composed of 3 stages. The first stage, you have bacteria that will eat the fats and remove the fat from the effluents. The second stage is a microfiltration unit that will remove all the particles in suspension. And the last step is a membrane system that will remove all the particles that are dissolved in the water. What comes out is pure water.
Before the project started in 2008, we were using about 15 cubic meters per ton of product. With the project now, we are down to about 5.2 cubic meters per ton. So that is 5% reduction on water usage.
Now, to bring sustainability into our factories with the responsible usage of water, it also helps us to bring the best quality of milk to our consumers in our dear country, South Africa. What also is important is that we know from research that brands that demonstrate a commitment to sustainability actually outperform the brands that don't.
We are part of the community. We are in an environment that we need to earn our right to be there. We have no more right to the water in an area than anyone else, than a consumer, than the community. A project like this allows us to be in the community, supporting the community, being able to produce, to offer jobs, at the same time as protecting one of the key resources.
In the primary industry, we've had a lot of emphasis on saving water because we're in a water scarce country, and we're very positive that Nestlé is investing all of this money not only in the factory side but on the farm side and producer side as well.
So far we've been involved in water saving activities where we, by means of advanced payments to our farmers and creating moisture readers, and we managed to create a water saving of about 15%.
Nestlé's purpose is enhancing quality of life and contributing to a healthier future for individuals, families and the planet.
This Project Zero will benefit the local community a lot. I am very proud to have been part of this project.
This project will talk directly to the entire value chain of our operations in the community of Mossel Bay. It will directly link up with recycling, with conservation, with suppliers and stakeholders. Various people in this whole value chain will be positively impacted by the savings that we're showing.